These beautiful, bright, vibrant colors really make me smile. This simple twist on a balloon dog, I think you're gonna love it, and I look forward to sharing it with you in this video. So let's get to it. Hey balloon friends, today I am going to be sharing with you a design that got inspired after I did the wombat tutorial a couple of weeks ago. So this little fella is a result of some experimentation that I did when part of one of my wombats deflated. And I thought to myself, that looks like a great opportunity to turn that into a balloon dog. And so I did a little bit of practice and came up with this twist on a balloon dog design. Surely I'm not the first one to see the potential within this, but I do feel like it's not seen enough if that is the case. And we are going to recreate one of these cute little doggies. Personally, I think this purple one's my favorite with the little puff on the end, but even without the puff, I think they look pretty sweet. So let's get into making this balloon dog. And this is a beautiful fashion blue by Sympatex. So when we inflate, I'm going to go ahead to determine about what halfway is, but I'm going to inflate a little bit less than halfway. To do the first part, the snout, we're going to do a petal twist, and it's going to be just like grabbing a small handful of balloon. I'm going to twist and pull this through, knot and all, to help get that secured into there. Followed with a 1-inch bubble to be pinch twist. Pinch twisted. So once we've done this, we're going to go ahead to do a 3 balloon bubble to the front of the dog's head, followed by another 3-finger bubble for the back of the head. We want to have these two about the same size. And bring around and secure in. Moving the working balloon to one of the sides of the head, we're going to start to fold it over the top of our dog, but here at a point before it reaches the top of where this bubble is, we're going to start pushing in and twisting, doing almost a demi twist as we squish the air towards the working end of the balloon. We're going to fold the balloon over. You see what's happening here? So we're basically getting the air out of the middle with not much of a twist happening in there, but a partial twist can help keep that air separated. And as we bring the working balloon over to the opposite side of the head, try not to push any air pressure up this way, as it can start to lift it away from the top of the balloon dog's head, and we want to try and keep it as flat as possible across the top. So most of the pressure that we're applying is causing the air to go towards the working end of the balloon. We're going to squish it in at approximately where the join is in the center here and twist as we go. Keeping the balloons as flat as possible across the top of our head bubbles. And moving the working balloon over and around and back and coming back to the top of the head, you can try and ease the ears into the gaps just to lower the ears down a bit and not have it to give too much extra height. And hopefully now you should have something that looks like this, giving your dog the appearance of floppy ears. So next, I'm going to do a small 1-inch bubble to do the neck. And now, I don't know about you, but sometimes and quite often, unless I'm doing the traditional balloon dog, I'm going to do a pinch twist where the neck and the legs meet. I just find it helps it to sit better overall. So I'll show you what I mean. Have the working part of the balloon where we're going to make the legs and the body. So see how the doggy's head is leaning a bit far forward? When doing a traditional balloon dog, I think that looks fine, but when we're doing something where there's more detail in the head, to help bring it and put it further forward, if you will, is to add a pinch twist. So I'm going to create mine as a 1/2 inch bubble and then pinch twist it. and I find that brings the dog's head much more further forward and at an appropriate height. And we're just going to go ahead to make the body and the back legs with the remainder, trying to balance out the proportions so the legs look about the same. As a final maneuver, just pushing the end of the bubble through the dog's legs to help lock it into place even more. A few adjustments and voila, we have our balloon dog with floppy ears. I'm just going to give it some artwork. Staples in my balloon bag are going to be the MaxiFlow permanent marker. Top notch, recommend, love it. Let me know if you want more details about it in the comments below. But the white Posca paint marker or the white uni chalk marker are perfect for adding quick drying little additional extras such as the shine in the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead to do a quick and cute little face. So that is the black marker art. I'm going to follow it with some strategic placement of the white just to give it some shine and help bring it to life. I hope this balloon dog makes you smile as much as it's giving me a big grin. It's the small things. I think, if I'm being honest, the biggest reason I got into doing balloon animals is I just really wanted to make a balloon dog because I thought they looked adorable, and who wouldn't love to just whip one of those out whenever they wanted to make someone smile? A simple balloon dog has taken me so far and I can't believe it, and I'm thankful and grateful for the opportunities it has given me. In fact, I'm really excited to share with you, I'm going to be teaching internationally in America. Like, pinch me, I'm dreaming, but all more details to follow, but I'm really looking forward to the opportunity and I'm so excited and I can't wait to share designs that I'm not going to be sharing on my YouTube channel, okay? What are those designs? I don't know yet, but I've got some ideas and I'm really going to work on things to hopefully make my sponsors happy as well as what you guys want to see. So if you join my Facebook group, Rainbow Balloons Learning and Resource Centre, I'll be delighted to share any details to come to light there as things get finalised and put into place. But I can't tell you how excited I am by that, and yeah, it's going to be amazing and I look forward to meeting as many of you as might be able to. So yeah, make sure you come and yeah, maybe say hi. So I hope this has inspired you to try some different balloon dog designs, and goodness me, let me know which face is your favorite. Like, they all just make me so happy. They're just so friendly and fun. I love it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, why not subscribe and join my balloon family, because I'd love to have you. Otherwise, that is it for this video, and thank you for helping me to put a positive twist into your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.